Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change sound mode on your LG Smart TV. From the home screen of your TV, navigate to the sidebar on the left and select the gear icon to open Quick Settings menu. In this menu you're gonna have to navigate to the sound mode tile, press OK, and using left and right arrow keys, select the sound mode of your preference. Once you select this sound mode, it will be applied instantly. You can also change some additional settings for your sound mode by selecting Advanced Settings option. Once you're finished, select Close. And right now the sound mode that you see on the screen, which in my case is Sports, is applied to the TV and to the current output. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.